Hi guys. So today I thought I'd do a little something different for mythology. Instead of posting a YouTube video or doing a video of me just talking to you, I thought I would give you a link to somebody else talking to you about mythology. So I have uploaded the link to something called Myths and Legends podcast. It is a podcast where he explores different mythology, different legends, and also talks about weird mythological creatures. So I'm going to walk you through how to find the episode I want you to listen to today, okay? Which is not related to any of the gods because I'm pretty sure we finished the Pantheon. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link I gave you on Schoology, and it'll take you to this page right here, the home page for Myths and Legends, okay? So he's got well over 300 episodes, so it's a little challenging to find them. But we're going to scroll down here, and you're just going to type in Greek, okay? And it'll pull up all of his Greek mythology. And I would love it if we started on episode 34, Greek mythology uphill battle, okay? And it's going to have a 54 beside it just because of the way that it's pulling up. But all you got to do, I wish this would stop doing this, all you got to do is hit play.
About their daily lives.
There you go. It starts playing, okay? And then you are free to do other things while this runs. It talks about two kind of heroes. One of them, Bellerophon, is an actual Greek hero. Sisyphus is one of those people who ends up in Tartarus for his crimes, so to speak. So just thought we'd give this a try. I'll leave a little discussion board for you just to kind of get some feedback on what you think about this. And if you have any questions, just let me know. All right? Hope you enjoy it.